Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Systeme.io email automation in super easy and super simple steps. So let's dive in and see how we can do it. With this formula, you will easily just automate your marketing in Systeme.io super easily. So if you don't already have your Systeme.io account, just go to the main page here and enter your email address as you see fit. And after you press get my free account, you will be able to get an email and create your new account. I already did mine, so I will just log into my account and be right back with you. After you log into your account, this will be the main screen you see. As you can see, it's my general dashboard. Of course, the account is new for the video, so I can show you how it works through your perspective. From here, there are multiple things you can do. You can do contacts, funnels, emails, blogs, automations, products, and sales. But what we need to do for this video, since it's an email marketing automation, we will have to go to emails. And from emails, we will go and choose the second option that pops up, which is called campaigns. If you don't have a campaign, since your account will be new, if you don't have one, will be just like this. As you can see, the list is empty. From the top right corner of the screen, the new menu that pops up, I will click on create. As you can see, when I press create, the name is of course forced. You have to put a new name. You don't have to put a description, but of course, if you are working on a big project, you might want to put a description as well. Right now, I will just say email automation. And for the description, we can say anything we want. I will just say for the video, so I don't forget how it works, or I don't forget what I do it for. I will just save it. And after saving it, as you can see, a new campaign has now been created. After creating our campaign in this menu, I will click on the email automation here. And as you can see right now, we are inside the campaign itself. And that way I can just say edit or create or anything in between. Because right now, as you can see, I need a subject, a sender name, and a sender email. My subject will be automation, because why not? The sender name, you can just put your name here. It is alright. But for the sender email, try to use your own domain, because not using your own domain might be a problem. Don't use Gmail, don't use email, don't use Hotmail, don't use Yahoo, don't use stuff like that. Use your own domain. That would be something like system at your name at this point, of course. Let's just put it down like this, .com. I will just save it like this, but of course it is not in a email chart. But normally if you had a official Systeme.io email, it would be showing up like this. So let's fix that one with an actual email and save it, then continue from there. After you press save, your campaign will be successfully created, and you will see that in the email automation section, you will see multiple screens, multiple different screens, multiple senders, and everything you might need. This is a classic email creator, and the available personalization substitutes are the most important part you can ever do. So how do these substitutes work? The substitutes work in a way that when you give it a name system, a surname system, or whatever is in the substitute column, as you can see, it will automatically change those mails to a later state when you add those names in. So let's just say, normally how you would send an email to someone. You would say, hey, John, then just go down like a bubble and say we need to talk about the upcoming election. Let's say it's something like this. But when you use substitutes, you wouldn't use a name, as you see right here. You wouldn't use a name. you would use the first name substitute like this, copy it all the way, then put it right here like this. Because since John is their first name, if you put the substitute like this, you won't have to change the name ever for anyone else. You can say John, Mary, anything else you might have in your mind, Chris, Rock, or anything. The first name column, the first name substitute, will automatically add those names to your mails, so you won't have to do it much. That's the good part of the automation. And for anything else, you will be able to say, for example, like surnames, emails, country, city, street address, or anything in between. Like I said, like you would say, we need to talk about the upcoming election. Message me at, then you would say an email address. So you could just say email address. You could put affiliate ID, affiliate dashboard, but dashboard is not useful here. But you could say email. So you would be able to send an email to the person so they could easily just contact you. And of course, after doing that, you can just like save or publish. Let's say just save or publish. Like let's choose an email that can be sent. I will just use this email to be sent. We will just activate, it's just send. We will save it. And as you can see now, it is saved. And as you can see, after I send my test email, you see that it actually fully works. The hey first name, we need to talk about the upcoming election, message me at the email I actually set as a testing email. So it automatically just gave me an email to actually message and of course use my first name, but I didn't have a first name, so it's normal that it didn't give me anything. And from this page, after you actually create your email and everything, you would have to go into the funnels. And in funnels, you will create a new funnel by using this create page here. And of course, I want to build an audience, so I just did that. And after going into our automation funnel and selecting squeeze page, I will go into automation rules and then select any of the templates I can use. I can just like do that. And I will add a rule. I want to funnel step from subscribing people, so I will just do that. And yes, the contact it will get will be added to our general list, so we can be able to just get their email, get their names, and get them the information we want to send them later. And that way you will be able to get any of the information you want, however you want, in the easiest ways possible. But that is generally it for the video. I hope this video helped you guys, and if it did, don't forget to give us a like and maybe even subscribe to our channel. In any other case, I hope to see you guys in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.